Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we will try to learn about compare commands. Compare commands where can find in this software. Simply go at this window bar and you can find it here that compare commands. And this is the less than command, this is greater than command, and this is less than or equal, this is greater than or equal. We start from less than command. We will start for less than command, and here we will take first one input, go to the bit area, and I will choose my one bit. So firstly what we do, first we use counter nut. This command we will later on use. Because of for the using less than command and the equal command or any of type these commands, we have to choose first counter CTU. We will choose that CTU counter C5:0, and we give the some value to the counter. For example, I will give the 5, and here I will choose my input B3 colon B3 colon 0/0. For example, first bit I will choose. First bit I will choose from the internal memory, or also we can choose this one I input I colon 0 I colon 0 I colon 2/0, or you can go to here in inputs area, and here you can choose which first of bit. If you like to choose this one, you can simply choose it here, and this will be address I colon 1/0 means first bit, and in second row we will use this compare command. For example, less than command we will take less than command source A. We will give the address N7:0/ACC, or we can give directly C5:0.ACC, and value we has here give for example 5 value we will give, means when our counting is completed at 5 and our this command less than 5, our one input will be should be energized. For example, out to colon 0/0. this cancel and go to the output and make it the corrections, and you can give it here out colon 2 slash 0. I say when I give the countings to the counter and when 5 counts are completed, after my input needs to be on, but we're using that compare command. If less than 5 is our value, our output 2 colon 0 should be on. And here we will take another compare command greater than, and we say C 5 colon 0 dot acc when greater than 5 after that out colon 2 slash 1. This out colon 2 slash 1 should be on. So let's compile this program and download to the PLC. Can go to the comms and simply click on download. Yes, and program will be downloaded to the PLC. And look into the run mode and see now out colon 2 slash 0 is continuously on because this value we defined less than 5. If less than 5, this should be have to n. And for example, we will give the signal to this I1.0 first, and this second, third, fourth, and fifth. As fifth this done, our output means out 2 colon 1 will be on. And now this is our out colon 2.0 is now greater than 5, so this will be off. When this value will be less than 5, out colon 2 will be on, and if greater than value 5 of the 5, our out colon 2.1 will be on. And one more thing we have to be added in this program, because of when value is completed, after we have to be must be reset this value. How we can reset? This is we have to be go again to the offline and simply click it here one new rung. Click it here one new rung. Click it one new rung, and here we will take 1 bit B, and you can take an internal memory or also external inputs you can use. I will take B3 colon 0 slash 0 first bit I will take, and I have to take here in this bit output latch. This is unlatch, not this in bit area, and this user area BS, and in compare commands you can find, I think so, and not input and outputs. This bit area Yeah, this one is a file bit comparison. This is diagnostic data construction. This is one shot rising edge. This is output unlatch, and this is latch, and this is unlatch. And in the timer counter, yeah, we have to be choose this counter area. This command must be remind this command area. When you use this one reset, this command you have to be used for counters and timers. Here you have to be give the value b3 colon b3 colon 0 slash 0. That first memory address I need to be reset c5 colon 0 c5 colon 0 I need to be reset, and again download to the PLC. Click it yes, make it online, and see now this value is not have. We give the value from the external input. I give 1 2 3 4 5. As this 5 completed, see this is less than command will be stopped, and as I give one more signal, our out colon 2 is on. And when I give this signal to b3 colon 0 toggle bit and make it again off, your counter will be clear. In other PLCs and other softwares of FATAC or Siemens, that's coming look like here, which is this names giving here one enable point giving to reset. But in this RSLogix not have this system. They gives this reset function from in the timer and counter area. Here you can select this one, a reset command, and as you gives the one signal, your counter will be reset. This value also can be from the field sensor or any input, and this is also can be possible from a field area. When this inputs coming, when these inputs are completed, after your counting will be completed, and as your this signal will become, after this counter will be reset, and as the same procedure will be repeatedly continue in the program. Also you can in the first of here you can give any input b3 colon 0 slash 1 or any other internal external signal you can use to make the logic. This is depend on your logic, how you can create the logic. See again I will give the signals, and 4 5 and 6. As 6 will be completed, your out colon 2 dot 1 will be on, and as you make the reset b3 colon 0, your counter will be completed, a reset, and clear the value, and your O colon 2 dot 0 should be on. I hope you will be understand about this compare command with up counter, how can use in the program. If not understand anything, please send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.